The GIF format has been a cornerstone of the internet for decades, powering everything from simple graphics to the animated memes you see daily. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, create, and troubleshoot GIF files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your GIF file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A GIF file is a Graphics Interchange Format image that supports both static images and short animations. Using lossless LZW compression, GIFs support up to 256 colors per frame and are widely used for web animations, reaction images, and simple graphics across the internet. GIF files follow CompuServe's GIF 87A or GIF 89A specifications. They use LZW lossless compression, support a maximum palette of 256 colors per frame, include optional transparency via index color, and support multiple frames with frame delays for animation via the Netscape Application Block. The official utility recommended for the GIF file is Google Chrome by Google LLC. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers simple viewing only, so extensive retouching must be done in a real image editor. Your quick fix starts here. Right-click the GIF file and choose Open With. If Google Chrome is installed, test it immediately. If not, select a different option. Multiple attempts are common. If the GIF file won't budge, stay calm. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, open with any web browser or image viewer. GIF files can be opened by virtually any web browser, image viewer, or operating system. Simply double-click the GIF file in Windows, and it will open in your default image viewer or browser. Animated GIFs will display frame-by-frame animation automatically in supported applications. Next, edit with image editing software. To edit or create GIF files, use applications like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or sgif.com. Photoshop's timeline panel supports frame-based animation for GIF export. GIMP also supports GIF animation through its filters, animation menu for creating and editing animated GIF files. Finally, convert to WebP or APNG for better quality. If a GIF appears low quality due to the 256 color limitation, convert it to WebP or APNG format using tools like FFmpeg, sgif, or Adobe Photoshop. These modern formats support full color depth and animation while producing significantly smaller file sizes than equivalent GIF files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.